Okay, it's my pleasure to introduce our common products for you. As you can see from my hand, here is a USB-C hub. Its name T1303. Okay. From the appearance of it, it consisting of 5 ports. On the top is USB 3.0. At the bottom is HDMI port. At the side is PD charging port. Okay, our devices have stronger compatible such as U-disc, mouse and keyboard. And then let's present it for you. At first, you should put this Type-C port into the relevant port. Okay, here is a mouse. And put this USB 2.0 into the USB 3.0. Okay, and now from appearance our laptop, you can see the mouse. Okay, and now let's present the U-disc. First, you should put U-disc into the USB 3.0. And there is a profile of our company. And now let's remove it to the U-disc. Okay. First, let's find the option of breaker. And this is U-disc. Click it to open. Okay, and now let's copy it. And okay, as you can see, the process of copy is processing. Okay, it's done.